Bum, ba-dum, ba, bum, ba-da. Oh, I don't think I'm gonna make it. No, I just smacked into the thing. Oh, fuck. I'm gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it.
Got an idea. One sec.
Some bit. I think we do need the wingsuit to get in here, but I don't know how I get it. Oh, this has to be it.
Oh!
Oh. I did it!
Jaydn, guess what? I made it too.
Hey! There's a
Because
bird
I
up here.
spawned mid-air. Yeah.
Ow.
Ah! Oh no, the plane's crashing. Oh my god, the wrong one.
Oh my god. Jesus Christ.
Hey!
Hey! Do a barrel roll. Damn.
Those feel really risky. I don't want to do many of those.
Fuck your bitch ass statue. Holy shit, that looks cool. Oh my god. It looks like you're about to fucking crash into it.
Reject!
Oh my god! You motherfucker! He's Perry! Perry the platypus!
Wait for me!
Come on, brother! Whoa. That's a good ass view. There's a book up here. You climbed all this way for a book, Craig. Hang on. Get in. There we go.
Welcome to Uber Seaplane.
Welcome to Air Craig.
What is this, Jaydn?
Watch out for the trees. Watch out for the trees. Oh my god. Fucking scary, man.
There's no guns on this plane, it's not fun.
No. Oh my god.
It feels to be flown around by a hillbilly with a mullet.
Feels amazing, I'll tell you that much. Except when he nearly flies into trees and gets us killed.
Killed! Eesh, come on.
Oh,
we can break
it's
it!
destroyable! Yes!
You know me. Oh!
Oh my god! What the fuck just happened? Oh my god.
Come on, son. You know what I'm about.
It's making me anxious, honestly.
Excuse me, sir. I have a question.
Sir?
Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, can I talk to you for a minute? Excuse me, can I talk to you for a minute?
Sir, I need the toilet.
I don't know. Can you? God,
Yo, look at this guy's ears.
You're one ugly motherfucker, that's for damn sure.
He's uglier than Liam.
I don't want to look in his face anymore.
Ah! Oh, I'm sorry, man. Chill. I'm sorry. Oh, you motherfucker. Woo! Oh. This book just floated out of a blood texture. Alright, I guess that's how it works. Craig.
I'm gonna dig you a grave.
I am the god of destruction.
Shovel versus flamethrower. God of destruction, my fucking ass. You just fucking ran away. Yo, Jaydn, look at these incendiary arrows.
Ooh.
Yeah, I only had the one.
Oh, you just kind of fucking wasted that then, didn't you?
Yeah, you probably want to move. Fire spreading.
Ah! Just trying to chop down the tree with a shovel.
Yeah, I am trying to chop down the tree with a shovel.
I'm not judging, I'm just asking, you know? It's a valid question.
Jaydn, look at this. Look at him.
You try and throw a shovel at a deer.
Oh, look, watch. Look,
What the
directly upwards. Watch it come down, watch it come down. Look at it.
Whoa! I
Where's
think
the
we're
deer?
high up. He ran away. There he is. Oh, I shot him in the arse. Whoa, what the fuck? Whoa, hang on. She's stalking us. How old is she?
No, I'm talking about an actual cougar, you fucking... You perv! I'm talking about actual fucking cougar.
Hello. Who are you? There's a crazy woman talking in this window over here. Fuck. Yeah, that's normal.
God, no wonder they want you cougar dead, you're so much of a cunt.
Yeah.
Yeah, Jaydn, look in my direction. Look in my direction. You looking?
Yeah.
What the fuck you doing? Yeet.
This is Apple. I thought you threw a grenade.
Threw meat at you, it's an apple.
It's an apple. I thought you threw a grenade at me. Oh, will you shut up, you old cunt?
Wait, Jaydn, leave it down, leave it down, leave it down.
Wait, hang on. No, come back, come back. There we go. Where'd you go?
Oh, slap my meat on her face. Oh,
Teabagger. Ah, Miss Mabel, yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Fuck, I'm on fire! Ah!
I can't get to you, everywhere's on fire. Ah!
Right, get the bitch up. We need to talk to her to finish the mission.
Alright.
Right, one more time. I'm gonna trident here with a shovel. Oh! Oh!
Show us your tits.
Get him out, you slag!
Get him out, you bitch. Fucking hell. She's not even flinching.
Are you hearing the noise? Ready? Spot! Oh, pick her up, pick her up. Oh! I see her eye! Pick her up, watch this now. Falcon, it's still in her eye! Falcon purge!
Fucking hell.
Oh, Jaydn. I like them shaking, nasty. Bra, 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 bra. What'd you just say?
What?
You're not that bad for someone I suspect is Italian. Whoa! Oh, hey Faith!
Where is she? Come here, I want my dick wet. Oh. She's gone. Holy shit. There's a mouse!
Move! Ah!
Oh!
He two-footed me!
Oh! Fucking charged me.
I'm clicking
Ah!
to left. I'm clicking to left. Come get me, man!
Okay, I think he's done chasing me now. Hello, my brother. Oh, Jesus!
That's one tough son of a cunt. What a shot.
There's another bear. I don't think that's a bear. Oh, Jesus!
Fucking hell! It's still alive.
Bye, Craig, I'm being kidnapped.
I'll go for you, Jaydn!
Help me, Craig!
You stay there!
This man's kidnapping me.
I'm coming!
Excuse me, where are you taking me? Whoa! What's this?
This is Uber.
Go to a waypoint, my friend.
Hello, my friending.
Hello, my
Would
friending.
you like song?
I would like song, yes.
Happy birthday to you.
I love this one.
What's Russia? Tiger biet.
Dance for Daniel, motherfucker.
Sorry, I had to kill crazy person. Cheers, mate.
My friend, why do you keep crashing the car?
I'm not looking at you right now.
Yeah.
How's your day? I drive blind, I don't know where I go.
Please keep eye on the road, friend.
Hello, how can I help you, my friend? Do you want bottled water, Wi-Fi password?
I would like the Wi-Fi password, please.
No.
Oh. Oh my god. You literally put the suppressor up my nose. It's Liam. My friend, I am burning. That killed me.
No, it never.
It did.
How do I get back in?
Ow.
What's up,
Oh,
fuckers? We're home.
My friend, I am dying.
You blew the door open, you fucking idiot. Get up.
Is that what? No, is that not what I was supposed to do?
I swear that if they all start attacking you now, I'm not your friend. What did you do? Ah, Jaydn, what have you done?
I booted him in the face.
Yeah, can you not have done that, please? What the fuck? Let's go.
Alright.
Wait.
What? What's going on?
Whoa!
My friend, what are you doing? Fuck.